Hello, children. Welcome again to the online class, and this is the fifth and the last part of the chapter Parts and Wholes for NCRT Maths Class 5. Let's start the class. Today's is an old woman's tale. Once there lived an old woman. She lived with her three daughters. She was quite rich and had 19 camels. One day she fell ill. The daughters called the doctor. The doctor tried his best but could not save the woman. After her death, the daughters read what she had written in her will. She written that my eldest daughter will get half of my camels, my second daughter will get quarter of my camels, and my third daughter will get one fifth of my camels. The daughters were really puzzled. How can I get half of 19 camels? She had 19 camels, but how they get half of 19 camels? For that they have to cut an animal, a camel. So half of 19 is 9 and half, but we can't cut the camel. The second daughter said. That is right, but what will we do? Asked the third daughter. Just then they saw their aunt coming. The daughters told her their problem. Show me the will, I have an idea. So, what is the idea? Let's see. So, they have 19 camels. Count it. 4 for the 16 and 3, 19. And aunt come with her and her camel. So, this is camel of the aunt. Now, first daughter will get half. What? Half of animal. So, uh, the aunt gave the idea that you take my animal and calculate the your part according to the wish of your mother. So, for according to the wish, the first elder sister will get half of the camels. So, what will be the half of 20? Half of 20. So, 20 when you are 20, 20 by 2, we can say 10. So, elder sister will get 10 camels. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5, 5. So, these 10 camels goes to, जो ये 10 कैमल्स है ये किसके हो गए? एल्डर सिस्टर के. नाउ सेकेंड सिस्टर विल गेट 1 by 4 of 20 camels. So what will be the 1 by 4 of 20? 21 ja 20, 20 divided by 4 equal 5 camels. So second sister will get 5, 4 and 5. Okay. Now last younger sister, youngest sister, she will get 1/5 of the camel. So what will be the 1/5 of 20? 21 ja 20, 20 divided by 5. So 5 4 ja 20. So the third sister will get 4 camel. 1 2 3 4. Correct. And one left. So ये किसका है? ये जिसका था वो ले गई. Okay, got it. So you want half of the camels, don't you? Take 10 camels, she said to the eldest sister. Take your share, the aunt told the second sister. She took 1/4 of the camel and got, as we calculated, second daughter got 5 camels, and you can take 1/5 of the camels, the aunt told to the third daughter, and she got 4 camels. The daughters were very happy and counted their camels. 10 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to are equal to 19. So they got their share, and the one remaining is mine. She shared the aunt and took her camel away. So how did this happen? We already discussed. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is Arun's timetable. Everyone सबका एक टाइम टेबल होता है कि वो कौन क्या करता है, कितने घंटे सोते हैं, कितने घंटे पढ़ते हैं, कितने घंटे खेलते हैं. सो ये टाइम टेबल है अरुण का. लेट्स काउंट. Sleeping. Arun sleeps 1/3 of the day. 1/3 of the day. uh, we know that in a day there are 24 hours. So playing 1/8 of the day. So 1/8 of a day, that means 24 का 1/8 कितना हो जाएगा? 24 डिवाइड बाई 8. काउंट कीजिए. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24. So Arun plays how many hours? 3 hours. Studying 1/4 of a day. 1/4 24 का 1/4 कितना हो जाएगा? ये 24 और इसका 1/4 हो जाएगा. 24 डिवाइड बाई 4. 8 4 जा 6 4 जा 24. So Arun studies 6 hours. How many hours? 6 hours. And sleeping already here 1/3 of the day. So what will be the 1/3 of 24? 24 divided by 3 is 8 hours. So we can write here 8 hours. So you can color it also according to this table. Sleeping already colored in a pink color, and studying in green color, and playing in blue color. You can color here according to the hours. Okay, what part of the day does he use for other activities? इन 3 एक्टिविटीज़ के अलावा वो अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में क्या करता है? तो अदर एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए उसका कितना टाइम मिलता है? सो पहले ये काउंट कर लेते हैं. 8 + 6 + 3. 8 and 6 14 and 3 17 hours. So remaining 24 minus 17 is equal 7 hours. So for other activities he got 7 hours. So 7 24 का कौन सा पार्ट है? काउंट करते हैं. 7 को हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, तो अब इसको सीधा सा लिख देंगे 7/24 पार्ट. ओके, उसमें अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में जो भी हो उसका खाना पीना, मार्केट जाना और भी कुछ भी. ठीक है. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज स्कूल मैगजीन. A school has decided to bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. You know that we in our school also we brought magazine, and in a year we publish 3 or 4 magazine. So in the here, how many magazine will they have in a year? So in every quarter. So what is the quarter of the year? Quarter मतलब कि 1/4. 12 का 1/4 कितना होता है? 3. सो हर 3 महीने में वो एक मैगज़ीन निकालते हैं. तो हमारे स्कूल में भी हम हर 3 महीने में एक मैगज़ीन निकालते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं न्यूज़ लेटर, ठीक है। सो if they want to print it at the end of each quarter of a year, which are the months for printing? अगर वो हर क्वार्टर के लास्ट में एक मैगज़ीन निकालते हैं तो कौन कौन से मंथ में मैगज़ीन निकालेंगे? वो हर 3 महीने में निकालते हैं, सो हम कह सकते हैं कि इन द मंथ ऑफ 3rd, 6th, 9th and 12th, that is March, June, July, August, September and December. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is Sleeping Beauty. Have you heard about Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravan? He is famous for sleeping for half a year. So most people sleep about 8 hours a day. ज़्यादातर लोग जो होते हैं एक दिन में 8 घंटे सोते हैं. देन व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ अ डे इज़ इट? और ये दिन का कौन सा पार्ट है? हमने पहले ऊपर ये भी पढ़ा था. सो 8 स्लीपिंग 8 hours, 1/3 part of a day. So we can write here 1/3. एक दिन में हम कितने सोते हैं? 1/3 पार्ट जो होता है. सो व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ ईयर डू दे स्लीप? तो सिंपल सी बात है, अगर हम एक दिन में 1/3 सोते हैं तो 2 दिन में भी वही सोएंगे, 3 दिन में भी वही सोएंगे, पूरे ईयर में भी उसका 1/3 पार्ट हम सोएंगे. सो अब तो अगर मान लीजिए, वैसे तो 365 ईयर डेज होते हैं. अगर ईयर में अगर 300 डेज हो तो उसका हम 1/3 सोते हैं तो हम कितना सो जाएंगे? 100 डेज. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है. क्वेश्चन ये है कि अ पर्सन 60 ईयर्स ओल्ड मस्ट हैव स्लेप्ट ईयर्स, हाउ मैनी ईयर्स? सो अगर 60 का 1/3 हम निकालें, सो यह आएगा 20 ईयर्स. आप 60 का 1/3 निकालेंगे तो ये 20 आएगा. करेक्ट. Now the last topic is Kirti's shopping list. Here is a vegetable shop and price list also given here, and some questions are there. Look at the yellow price list. How much does 2 kg of tomato cost? What is the cost of tomato? Tomatoes cost is 12 rupees per kg. So 12 into 2, how much? 12 to the 24. So cost of the 2 kg tomato is 24. How much does half kg of tomato cost? What is that? So cost of tomato is 12 and half kg. हाफ के जी के लिए क्या करेंगे? 12 1 12 डिवाइड बाई 2. सो अगर हम 12 को 2 से डिवाइड कर दें तो ये आता है 6. सो cost of the half kg tomato is 6 rupees. Now question C is Kiran wants 2.5 kg of tomato. How much will it cost? So we already calculated the cost of 2 kg tomato is 24 and the cost of half kg tomato is 6. So total cost of 2.5 kg tomato 30 rupees. Okay, then next question, how much does 3.5 kg potato cost? So what is the cost of potato? The cost of potato is 10 rupees. So 10 into 3, 30 rupees for 3 kg and हाफ के जी का 10 को हाफ कितना हो जाएगा? 5. So total cost of 3.5 kg will be 30 plus 5, 35 rupees. Correct? Okay. Now question E. What is the price of 1/4 kg of carrot? Where is the carrot? Price of the carrot is 18 rupees. So 1 kg 18 rupees. Simple. and the what will be the price of 1/4 kg. सो अगर हम 18 का 1/4 निकालेंगे, 18 वन जा 18 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, आप 18 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये कितना आएगा, 18 का हाफ हो गया 9, एंड 9 का हाफ कितना हो जाएगा 4.5. सो टोटल कॉस्ट 18 प्लस 4.5, देन 18 plus 4 22 and half. So 22 and half rupees for 1/4 kg of carrot. Okay, now last question. He bought a gourd of weight 4 and 3/4 kg, and it cost will be, so what is the cost? The cost is 8 rupees per kg. So first find the cost for 4 kg. 4 into 8, 8 4 ja 32, and the cost for 3/4 kg. So 8 का 3/4 कितना हो जाएगा, 8 3 जा 24 डिवाइड बाई 4, 6 4 जा 24. So total cost will be 32 plus 6, 38 rupees. Correct? Now look at the shopping list in Kirti's hand. How much will she have to pay to buy all these? यहाँ पे कीर्ति के हाथ में एक शॉपिंग लिस्ट है, ये यहाँ पे, तो उसको टोटल कितना पे करना पड़ेगा. सो आइए कैलकुलेशन कर लेते हैं उसकी भी. सो कीर्ति को क्या चाहिए, पोटैटो 2 and 1/4 kg. So what will be the cost of 2 kg potato? Price of the potato is 10 rupees. Okay, so for 2 and 1/4 kg item is potato, price 10 rupees. So 10 into 2 20, and for 1/4 kg, तो 10 का 1/4 कितना होता है, 10 का 1/2 हम निकाल लेते हैं, 10 into 1/4. So 10/4 it will come 2.5. So total will be 20 plus 2.5, 22.5 rupees for the potato. And carrot 3 and 3/4 kg. So what is the cost of carrot? The cost of carrot is 18 rupees per kg. So 18 into 3, how much, 18 3 ja 54, and for the 3/4 kg, 18 into 3/4, let's count, 18 3 जा 54, और 54 को अगर हम 4 से डिवाइड करें तो 4 1 जा 4, एंड ये आ जाएगा 4 1 जा 4, कैरी 1, देन 4 3 जा 12, एंड remaining 2, so 0, 4 5 जा 20, so 13 and half. So total cost will be 54 and 13 and half. 54 plus 13.5, so it will 67.5 rupees for the carrot. And the last one is gourd, 8 rupees per kg. So and we need 1.5 kg. So price of 1.5 kg will be 8, and half of the 8 we know 4. 8 plus 4 12. How much? Rupees 12. So total price will be 22.5 यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 22.5, 67.5 and the 12. So 5 and 5, 10, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 7, 10 and 2, 12, again carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 6, 9 and 1, 10. So it will 102 rupees for all these things. Okay, now here is the practice time. These all these question you have to do in your notebook, and if you feel any confusion while doing this, you can uh, write in comment box. Okay, thank you all.